All right, traders, it's about 11:15 on March 9th, 2023. So I'm going to show you the first 45 minutes of what happened this morning on the autopilot trading system. The video is a 2-for-1, which means you're going to see the Trade Scalper signals. Those are the signals for the Trade Scalper. So a lot of traders ask me, can I see the signals for the Trade Scalper? And I have the autopilot running on the chart so you can see how it trades the autopilot trading system automatically. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So again, the signals you're seeing are the Trade Scalper signals. These are signals that appear on the chart, and you can buy or you can sell based on those signals. That's the Trade Scalper program.
Order canceled.
The automatic trading system, the autopilot, is actually placing the signals for you: buying, selling, trade management, break even, trailing stops, using the autopilot strategy. So it's a separate strategy. Now we include the Trade Scalper and the autopilot with mentorship. So if you're interested in a package, you get all the courses and software in the Accelerated Mentorship Plus package at a discounted rate. All right, I'm going to let us run. This is 45 minutes of everything that happened. Take a look for yourself to see if these signals and the type of trading that we do at DayTradeToWin is right for you. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us. We're happy to answer your questions before you decide to jump into day trading.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Straight from a better man than me. I'm here to remind you, baby, don't you know, the truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. What we need. Just a little piece. A little piece. What we need now. Just a little bit of peace.
Order submitted.
Bury the hatchet, baby, but just don't bury anything. Don't bury anything. The truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. The truth will set you free. You've got your headband on, I got my linen shades. And we've got a car with enough gas to get away. Got the world figured out and we're searching for something new. So girl, let's turn the Chevrolet airplane into a starship for two. So baby, what do you say? I got all we need, let me take you away in a time machine and be celebrities from the set, but easy night. The movie scenes in our minds come to life. We might be 17, but it ain't no thing. Tonight I got you, you got me, we got all we need. Well, it's the bigger, the better, and you know I'm digging that new hairdo. So let's get peace, love, and trippy. I'm just a modern day hippie with you. So baby, what do you say? I got all we need, let me take you away in a time machine. Let's be celebrities from the set, but easy night. The movie scenes in our minds come to life. We might be 17, but it ain't no thing. Tonight I got you, you got me, and we got
Order submitted.
Placing bets when you're deep in debt. We're getting there, but ain't there yet. You need some loving. Step into my oven. Hot as hell, suits me well. It's a hard road to hoe. It's a hard road to hoe. She's a hard hoe to know. Feed that bean. Give it just a little bit more.
Order filled.
She's so mean. She's alright. She
Order
can
submitted.
knock you out or keep you up all night. 50 sacks. Fucking jack. I've been there. Can't come back. It's a hard road to hoe. It's a hard
Order submitted.
She's a hard hoe to know. Feed that bean. Give it just a little bit more.
Order filled.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.